Hey everyone, welcome to GigaBits. Today we're comparing two rising AI-powered web development platforms, Emergent and Lovable, to help you decide which one truly deserves your money in 2025. Let's start with Lovable. It's an AI website builder focused on simplicity and design speed. You describe the app or site you want, and it automatically generates a fully functional prototype, complete with layout, text, and even back-end logic. It's ideal for startups, freelancers, or creators who need to build something quickly without writing code. However, customization is still limited, and advanced users may find its automation too restrictive for complex projects. Emergent, on the other hand, takes a different approach. It offers a much deeper integration with AI-assisted coding, version control, and collaboration features for developers. It's more flexible, supports full-stack development, and allows you to refine your code with AI help rather than replacing it entirely. The learning curve is higher, but it's far more capable for technical users or teams building production-ready applications. So which one should you choose? If you want to build apps or websites without touching a line of code, Lovable is the better option. But if you're a developer who values control, scalability, and deeper AI integration, Emergent is worth the extra complexity. In short, don't waste money on the wrong tool. Choose Lovable if you prioritize simplicity and speed, or Emergent if you need depth and flexibility.